Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome back to the channel. We have this light set up here because last night we actually spent a good amount of time. I probably have about 6 hours alone just in detailing the F450, and I've got to say, it absolutely looks amazing when this thing is clean. Now, I don't obviously take the best care, exterior wise of this truck. Mechanically, this truck is very, very super sound. Don't have any issues or anything like that. But as you guys do know, it is a work truck and I do use it. So if you guys don't know about this, obviously I try to get as much of the mud out of it as possible. I didn't do the best of job because I didn't really have any interior cleaner, but this actually used to look like this. And then I just realized I started smearing it, and I wanted to stop before I messed up my dashboard. So I still got to do the interior and everything. But anywho, I could go on all day long about talking about the F450, but today is not about the F450, although it does look amazing, I gotta say. Today is going to be about the C4 Corvette again. And today we get our new wheels and tires. Now, I'm still waiting on the wrap to arrive and everything. There's a couple more things I got to do to it, but I'm just super excited. I just got the thing that it's going to be out for delivery. So we are going to actually get these wheels and tires off of here, get them in the bed of the truck. The new wheels should then arrive. Then we're going to take the new wheels and tires to a garage, get the wheels and tires mounted and balanced, put them back in the truck, bring them back, put them on the Corvette, and then I'm going to reveal to you the new look for the C4 Corvette. That's right, I'm excited because I actually bought brand new wheels. I didn't go around. I actually did check Marketplace and everything. I found a couple sets that would have sufficed and everything, but what we're going to do with this car, we're trying to make it as perfect as possible for as cheap as possible. So as of right now, with the new wheels, everything that you've seen so far in the videos and everything, we are in this car for about $1,672, roughly, somewhere in there. So $1,700, we are roughly into this Corvette with the purchase of these new wheels and tires. I am freaking excited. Let me get these off of the car here, into the truck, and then we got to sit and wait for our new wheels to arrive. So I actually did get a good feedback that we should put the GTA wheels on the C4. However, this is just a better option. So if you guys did wonder, it's not like I'm just out here spending money, but that lip is actually bent there in this wheel. This wheel is actually pretty curved up. So to fix these, I mean, they're not really worth anything. They're worth a couple bucks, but nothing crazy. So it's just easier to buy new ones. But man, do I love the look of this car. And you know how I know I got a good deal also? Brand new pads and rotors in the back. Win for me. Let's get this other wheel on here, head on over to the other side, get these loaded up, and then wait for our new wheels and tires. This is always the hard part. Let's get them in the truck. Well, we've got our wheels before the wheels actually on the car, and I've got to admit, I actually sort of like this. Did I make the wrong decision? Should I have actually just put new tires on the GTA wheels and tossed them on the C4? Ah, boy. You guys are going to have to let me know when we get the new wheels. All right, time to sit here and wait for our delivery to arrive. Well, now all we do is wait. About 2:30, so I'm just sitting here waiting. Not a big deal. Oh yeah. No, I'll get lunch then. It's not a big deal. I can eat then. Yeah. Babe, are you there? Yeah, could you run and get the kids? I'm waiting on an important package to be here. Should be here any minute. Yeah, no, they said it'd be like 10 or 15 more minutes. So it should be here any minute now. 3:30, that's fine. We're running a little late. He probably stopped and had someone else's deliveries to make or something. That's fine. No, yeah. Thank you. I appreciate it. Oh, no. I'll grab dinner. That's fine. Oh, my wheels are finally here. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. They have arrived. A little late, but that's okay. Let's get them loaded in the truck. Don't mind my mess over here. We're remodeling, I promise. Texas Speed heads, yes. Texas Speed. I love them. All right, let's get these in the truck. Alrighty, well, to mount and balance our tires, we came over here to Lux Motorcars. My buddy Eric is actually the manager of the place here. We got them already mounted and balanced, but I want to see if he'll take a little bit of time to show you his hatchback here. Now, if you guys know anything about me, I do sort of love these built little Hondas and things like this. So once he's done helping a customer, he's actually over there helping the gentleman purchase a van or something, maybe a Dodge Journey, I don't know. But once he's done over there, we're going to have him come over here and show. You can obviously see it's got hood exit exhaust, and I am in love. Let me know in the comments, guys. You think we should actually buy something like this again? I love that little Integra I did, the little popcorn maker. I absolutely love that car. The car was freaking cool. But I don't know. We got to talk to him about it. Maybe we'll buy it. So my GoPro died again, guys. So let me know. I don't know if you'll see a quality difference or not, but we've got Eric here. And what is this thing?
It's a EF hatchback, 1991, GSR V18 C1 swap.
Got a little everything.
Yeah, it's got the V20 crank and rods in it, low compression pistons. She gets down.
Definitely. Full cage and everything. This thing's ready to shit and get, guys.
Yeah, Whitfield 10-point. Jason Schmuck, and Schmuck Built did all the welding in this car.
Yeah, definitely. I'll have Schmuck's information down there. If anybody's into Hondas, you'll know who Jason Schmuck is. But he did basically all the piping, the intercooler. He custom makes his intercoolers.
The only thing
mounts,
that did
exhaust.
not get done by him was the up pipe. That was World Cup Finals week. There was no chance I was getting him.
Yeah, not at all. Yeah.
And I was in a hurry to spool a little faster that weekend, so I had a buddy of mine take care of that for me. He did a great job.
What an awesome build, though.
But,
let me know, guys. Should we buy something like this?
Definitely.
I'm thinking about it. There you guys have it. We got the wheels and tires all loaded up. Let's go get them on the C4. Pardon me, too. I am using my phone for once. The GoPro seemed to have died. All right, let's get out of here. No, the car did not actually leak down. I lowered it down so I could take a picture of the other side, which if you don't follow me on Instagram, you can head on over there, SendIt_Steve, and see that picture, because I actually kind of like it with the GTA wheels on it. But as you do know, we spent the money, and well, we got some wheels for it now. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I am absolutely I've said it once, I've said it 100 times. I am absolutely falling in love with a C4 Corvette. Never in a million years would I have imagined that I would actually love this car the way that I do in such a short amount of time. But man, oh day, did wheels and tires make a huge improvement to this car. Now we obviously still have to do the tint. We got to get all that off. We got to get new tint on, and we do have the wrap coming. That's right, guys, this thing is not going to remain this color or look this way very much longer, but it looks freaking pretty badass, I gotta admit, if I do say so myself. I promise you, we're not done with this old Biohazard yet. We're refreshing it. I did just drive it down here. There's no interior in it still. We actually have to drive tomorrow, so by the time I get home, it'll be too late tomorrow to upload a video, so you will see a video Wednesday night of the interior and everything like that, and I'm excited to get it in, and we're definitely buying it out of another vehicle, so I'm excited to be able to reuse somebody else's interior where the car, I think a tree fell on it. I'll see if I can bring my camera and go there, but I actually found it on Craigslist and everything, so till you guys see this, I'll already have it, but neither here nor there. I'm actually excited that I've used a Craigslist ad again. I haven't used Craigslist in probably 3 or 4 years, guys. It's pretty insane, but I did find it on Craigslist, so we got the interior coming, and I'm freaking pumped. Well, I didn't actually go yet, but I did go. From the time you see this video, I've already gone and got the interior, so I didn't actually go right now, but by the time you guys see it, I've gone. So there you guys have it. If you like the content, again, please smash that like button, please subscribe, and let me know what you guys think down in the comments down below. Do you love this look? Color change coming very, very soon. Stay tuned. Take care, guys. We'll see you in the next one.